Alright, so the problem I'm having is when I came home I had to look at my drain. And let's see if you can see this. You see that? This thing wasn't even tight. It's been loosened up since I remodeled. Probably been about 2 years since I remodeled. And I used some old plumber's putty, and I think what happened is it dried up on me too fast, and now I gotta redo it. So the tools I'm going to use here, Husky Universal Sink Drain Wrench, looks like this, and this guy is trying to help or destroy one or the other, I'm not sure yet. My guess he's trying to destroy. Off, get off the table. Off the table. Going to use this brand new plumber's putty, and he's going to help do something nobody knows yet. Like I said, I think he's going to help destroy or get it beaten on camera, one or the other. Alright, so let's get started. First thing I gotta do is get this old strainer off. I think I caught it earlier enough. I think it doesn't look too destroyed. I already took the bottom of the P-trap drain off. I'll loosen that, and you'll see me put that back together in a second. And you guys excuse me, I got a new puppy if you don't know, so I might be yelling periodically throughout this video. Like right now, you see what I got going on. Jake! No! Jake! So, that's probably going to happen a lot. Let's get started. As you can see, I covered up my drain so none of this plumber's putty will fall over in there. Sorry about that, guys. The dog is showing his skills of doing something, like I said. I'm not sure what that is, other than getting away. Alright, Jake. Move back and don't hit the camera. There you go. This is the top here. Let me zoom out. There we go. Getting this out. Now what we want to do is clean that up, guys. This just started like today or yesterday, I guess. Because you can see that this paper is not too wet yet. Not even molded yet. Get out of the trash can. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up, check back in with you. You see this stuff cutting right off. Sorry, guess I'm blocking the shot here. Jake, stop biting that. No, stop biting it. This is your rubber gasket. This is your ring to hold it on. Paper gasket. And this is a gasket for your drain. Put this plate underneath it here. As you can see that? Put the plate in there to help capture the trash that I'm sweeping down in here. I see dog hair. I wish my wife was here to see. Alright, welcome back. We're going to try this again. As you can see, I packed myself up. Hopefully I stop bleeding. But the show must go on. That sound in the background is my dog telling me he needs to go outside. This is what I cut myself on. I was wiping around the rim. And it is stainless steel / aluminum. And it's very razor blade sharp. And I've done it before. I'm surprised I didn't catch it. I think distraction from the dog and stuff didn't help. Alright, let's get started with putting it back together. You can see I'm getting the putty out. Yeah. Great part, I had a lot of this stuff on there. So I read one review. It says it's probably better to put on in 2 parts and then meet them together. I don't know. I sure didn't do it like that the first time. Maybe that's why I'm having to redo it. Hold on, dog. Alright guys, sorry about that. The dog. Go play with your toy and get out of here. Alright. So you see. Got a ring going around there. Alright, so what you do is you push that down there. Push it down. You should see plumber's putty oozing out from around. As you can see. Alright, so now we're going to put the ring and stuff on the back, on the bottom, I'm sorry. The rubber ring goes on first. Then the paper ring. And then the metal. Right. So I'm trying to hold the top. Keep that from get plumber's putty out of there. Meanwhile, I'm hoping that my dog's not eating the house. We're going to take a station break while I make sure the dog's not eating the house. Whenever you have something apart, clean it as much as you can clean it. Preventive maintenance, folks. Preventive maintenance. Hope you can see that. Let me make sure this camera's on. Great. Alright. Gasket's on. Put this back up. Tighten that. I think I remember what happened last time too. I think because they tightened the opposites. When I was tightening this one, I was loosening the other for some reason. That sounds familiar. Try to tighten everything up while I'm here.
So right now I'm just checking for leaks in the trap. Then I'll get one to fill up and see if I got a leak come in around the actual strainer.